How to get Qatar Airways Student Club card. Now, first things first is to pull up your preferred web browser for us to access the official website of Qatar Airways, and then just go ahead into their website. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is by clicking this join now. And before you do so, these are the exclusive benefits that you will be getting for a student club card. You'll get like savings with every booking, enhanced flexibility, extra baggage allowance, tier upgrade, companion pass, complimentary onboard Wi-Fi, and then once you click join now, all you have to do is make sure that you log in to either through your Facebook or through your Google account. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to fill out necessary information like your personal details, where do you live, and this is the most crucial part. Now, you have to make sure that the school you're in or the university you're in is actually accredited to Qatar Airways for you to be able to get that student club card. For you to know that if your school is accredited to Qatar Airways, all you have to do is to reach out there live customer support by clicking this button right here below help. That's contact us. They'll be the ones to process it for you if your school is accredited. So that's how you get Qatar Airways Student Club card.